Assalamu alaikum to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy 76th Republic Day. Today is 26th January, the Republic Day of our country. All we know that this day is a national festival of our country. We honor this day, we pay tribute to the visionaries who shaped our constitution, the foundation of our democratic nation. On this day in 1950, our constitution came into effect. Our constitution is the largest written of our constitution in the whole world. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. The constitution give us 6 type of fundamental rights, which is called the soul of Indian constitution. Also, it is the remember our martyrs and soldiers. The Republic Day of teaches us to live in unity and peace. That I am proud that I am an Indian and I love my country. Thank you.